If your Shark cordless upright vacuum cleaner has lost all suction, today I'm going to show you how to restore it back to new. We're going to be looking for any blockages in all of the parts, and if you can't find a blockage, stick around because at the end of the video I'll show you something else to check. Firstly, we need to pull on this tab to remove the handle, and then we're going to lift away the vacuum cleaner by pressing the button here and then pulling up. Now we need to remove the hose from the main body. You just press on this clip and it pulls off like so. Now the wand release, you just press that and pull up the wand, and we now have all the parts individually laid out so we can check them all. The wand is very easy, just look down that to make sure you can see daylight. The hose, just drop a small coin down there, obviously making sure it comes out the other end to show that you've not got a blockage. The floor head, just turn it on its back and open up these 3 screws with a coin, and then the sole plate just pulls forward so you can inspect it for blockages. Again, drop a coin down if you're unsure. We need to check the bin next. Pull these levers at the side and this removes the bin. Now the reason we're checking the bin is underneath this lid here there's a filter. If this filter's blocked, it acts as a barrier directly in front of your motor, meaning that you lose almost all suction that's coming through this part of the bin. And that's all the places that you can get a blockage. If you've not found a blockage at this point, we need to be looking at your filters. These should be cleaned every single month. If you've never cleaned them, this will be the reason that your vacuum cleaner isn't sucking. On this side, we have one that sits directly on top of the motor. Again, this creates a barrier directly in front of the motor if it's never been cleaned. If you would like to know how to clean these filters along with the other filter on the other side of the motor, please see my next video here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful Shark videos.